Fulham is proud to introduce an exciting new emergency solution for our family of direct AC LED retrofit kit engines. That family of engines, which we call Vision, is a cost-efficient and reliable solution for wall sconces and ceiling luminaires. Available in a variety of power levels from 10 to 34 watts and a choice of round, linear, or rectangular formats to fit your application, these direct AC LED engines feature universal voltage from 120 to 277, very low flicker meeting the Title 24 requirements, smooth triac ELV dimming down to 10%, CRI up to 90 on a range of color temperatures, UL classified for field installation, and Energy Star listed. Until now, however, there has not been a compatible emergency solution for our direct AC engines. Fulham's new 6-watt emergency driver for AC engines solves that problem by providing the following benefits. It is designed to operate Fulham's complete offering of AC LED engines. It has universal input between 100 and 277 volts AC, universal output between 60 and 230 volts DC. This unique product has undervoltage protection, short circuit protection, and overload protection. It is UL classified for easy installation and meets CEC Title 20 requirements. To summarize, Fulham's 6-watt driver fills the void in EM solutions needed to power our very popular direct AC light engines.